Proactive policing often starts small. In this case, Atlanta PD's Crime Suppression Unit spotted a vehicle with illegal window tint in a high-crime area.
72 stop, Chattahoochee Avenue and Taylor Street on a silver Kia Telluride. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, I'm off zone 2 traffic unit, man. The reason why we stopped you is because of your tint. They just had us doing traffic enforcement in this area. Yeah. You have your license on you? You have your license on you, boss? You should put that seatbelt on, man.
While speaking with the occupants, officers detected a strong odor of marijuana.
Cool, thank you. Okay, cool. Just give me a second, all right?
Both were detained, and a probable cause search began.
Hey, yo. Oh, it's a lot.
Bro, how much did he tell you was in the car?
He didn't.
That search revealed nearly 3.5 pounds of marijuana in various packaging, 17 digital scales, a Glock 33, and a Glock 19X with a 30-round extended magazine, along with over $2,500 in cash. Sometimes it's the smallest violations that open the door to the biggest busts. Subscribe for more real-world critical incident coverage like this one.